Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to the CHSL 2015 paper. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll be focusing on the quant section or the QA and DI section particularly. We'll try and identify a particular question that have already come in the previous year's paper, basically a DI in this case, and we'll also try and understand the ideal approach to solving the same. Okay. So we'll take a look at the question. We'll also try and understand how to go about solving this kind of question, so that whenever we come across this sort of thing in any subsequent examination further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay. So now having said that, let's focus on the questions at hand. Study the pie chart and answer the questions given below. So school funds is spent under different heads in a certain school. Okay. So sport head, library head, miscellaneous head, science and art and craft. So here what we can see is that each and every head is been basically denoted by a certain angle. So what we'll do right now is basically we'll try and distribute the entire angular basically composition into percentage wise distribution. Okay. So like for sports, if we take a look, sports is given as 120 degrees. So if we distribute the same as percentage, so the total thing will be is 360 degree, because it's a circle, so 360 degrees. So therefore for sports, if we represent the same in terms of percentage, it will be 20 by 360, that is 1 by 3 or 33.33%. Okay, so sports will be 33.33%. Okay. Similarly, if we talk about library, it will be say 60 degree, right? 60 degrees given. So 60 will be 60 by 360. That is, it comes out to be 1 by 6. That is 16.66%. So library will be 16.66%. Okay. Again, if we talk about miscellaneous, is given by 30 degree. So 30 by 360 given as 12. That is 1 by 12, or it simply be 8.33%. So miscellaneous will be 8.33%. Okay. Let's talk about science now. Science is given by 60 degree. So again 60 by 360 equal to 1 by 6 or 16.66%. And finally, arts and craft. Given by 90 degree, so 90 by 360, that is 1 by 4 or 25%. Okay. Now, having said that, let us try and take a look at the all the questions. What is the ratio of expenditure on arts and craft, on sports to that of arts and craft? Okay, so sports we know is given 33.33 and arts and craft is given as 25. Okay, so 33.33 can be written as 1 by 3 and arts 25% can be written as 1 by 4. How? 1 by 3? 1 by 3 here, and arts and craft is 1 by 4. So the ratio would simply be, if you multiply both by 12, so the ratio comes out to be 4:3. That is, option B will be the answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. So that's it. Let's move to 102. Which head has maximum expenditure? So sports, as we can see, has 33.33% share of the expenditure. So sports will have maximum expenditure. Okay, I hope it's clear. Which head uses 25% of the fund? As you can see, arts and craft uses 25% of the fund. So arts and craft will be the answer. which had has same amount of expenditure. As you can see, science and library, they both have 16.66, 16.66. So science and library will be the answer. Okay. What is the percentage of total expenditure on library? So library is spent 16.66. That is 16.6 will be the answer. So I hope this is clear to you how we solve the same. We could have actually done away with this entire thing, this entire calculation, could have predicted the same by just looking at the degrees of the figures as well. So we could have done that simply by seeing that only. But just the distribution of the percentage also will give you an idea how to set up this kind of question towards percentage wise distribution, so that any case if you get degree wise distribution, you can easily do that in this way. Okay, so I hope everything is clear to you. In case you are having a little difficulty in trying to understand the things that we have spoken about or the way we solved all the questions pertaining to this video, I suggest you go through the entire video multiple times, and in case you have a difficulty, and then try and solve this question on your own, keeping this video as a reference for a better understanding of the same as well. Having said that, so in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire question paper, feel free to connect with us. So for that, what you can do is basically visit the description section of the video, where you will find a bunch of details. Like you can find our website links over that. You can visit our website and connect with us through that. You can actually email us. Our email ID is also provided, or you can call, text, or SMS us, or WhatsApp us as well. The numbers are provided there also. Feel free to connect with us in case you need any kind of help with your any subject, with your exam preparation, any kind of guidance with respect to that, or just you need a simple guidance with respect to studies in general. We'll be more than happy to help you out with those as well. Feel free to connect with us on any of the medium necessary. So with all that being said, in case you like the video, make sure like, share, subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing the discussion on similar sort of questions further down the line. So until then, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.